I told her she gotta come try it. They wondering what I've been doing. I told them I'm keeping it quiet. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking.
So guys, in this video I am going to actually tell you how you can fix the overheating issue with your Samsung Galaxy devices, especially the S7 Edge. I have one here. The common problem with these devices, especially when you suffer a battery drain as well, the phone overheats, and if it overheats in this area here is where the main board is located, in this area. Just want to let you know, especially when you plug this phone up on the charge, you find the phone is heating up on charge and possible overheating. Well, just want to tell you guys exactly how you can fix this issue. There's an issue with this phone. As you can see, as I plug in the charger, we are going to boot straight into recovery mode, just like that. So to solve this issue, we'll definitely have to update our firmware, but most importantly, we'll need to flash our device and get the old system off that is probably corrupt, and install a stock version or a fresh version. I recommend install the updated version for your device and get rid of the old one, or possible you can update. Possible they would have the patch to fix the wear and tear in the Android system. So this seems to have some complication, and while usage the battery is running down dramatically fast, and also it's overheating, as I mentioned, in this area. So what we need to do basically to resolve these issues, as I state, the firmware is one of the issue. We'll actually need to do something about it. That problem is actually common among Samsung Galaxy devices, so you will definitely need to flash your phone depending on how long you are using it. It can also be a battery issue as well, so we are going to do a battery replacement for this device. Just want you guys to know that it could be a bad battery that is generating this issue. So that is the two main culprit. I just powered off the phone, but because of the charger, the phone is booting back into recovery mode, which it should not do. So there's an issue with the firmware of this device. It is not functioning properly. So the main reason for this issue is the firmware problem. If you have a Samsung Galaxy device and you turn it off, when you turn off the device, it should not boot into recovery mode. You should see the charge logo and the device charging. With that device, it is not happening, so there's an issue with the firmware. You see what I'm talking about here? You will see the battery coming up there, and it is actually showing us 96%. So because of the light, it's a bit hard to see. So yeah, this is what it should be like. So indeed, there's a firmware issue with this device, and we are also going to do a battery replacement. So in fixing your overheating issue, I recommend that you flash your Samsung Galaxy device, and I am not talking about factory reset. Flash your device, meaning you will need to hook this up to a computer, get the firmware file, and do over the system. Get rid of the current system and put a fresh new one on. So if I power off the device is completely off, and if I have to plug in this device, so I'm going to plug in this device, it is going into recovery mode. As I state, it should never happen like that. So there's some issues here, right? So this is a firmware issue.